Here's how to reset the oil light and the filter light on a 2019 Nissan Altima. This applies to all of the vehicles that have this setup right here on the left side of your steering wheel. So let's first turn the car on, and it does not need to be started, but you just hit the start and stop button once. Everything lights up over here, and we're gonna go to this keypad. What we're gonna do is hit to the left, hit it one more time, and then go down. Since you're at settings, you wanna go down to maintenance, click OK. You're gonna go down to oil and filter, click OK. And then you can choose how many miles you want it to reset to. So for this vehicle, we actually put a 10,000 mile oil filter on it and a 15,000 mile oil. But the bottleneck is 10,000 because of the filter we put on. So hit OK. And what you're gonna do is just go down to reset once you've got the miles you want and just hit it. Say yes or click yes. All right, it is reset, and it'll alert you when you get close to that 10,000 miles or pass it. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button, and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life. Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.